My dog hanging out in the rain. I was sitting down and I'm like, what's that noise outside? Coming down hard. Went to go check it out. Watched it for a minute. Out comes the dog. Oh, I got a branch. She doesn't see me. These windows are, it's got like a 35% tint on them, so unless I have the light on in the daytime, you can't really see through them. Where's she at? Let's get a high heel on there. She's just laying down in the rain. Oh. Oh, inside the house she goes. Yep, there goes the doggy door. Well, it was done coming down pretty hard. It's just sprinkling now, but